Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to sign up on Airbnb. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. Airbnb is a service that lets property owners rent out their spaces to travelers looking for a place to stay. Travelers can rent a space for multiple people to share, a shared space with private rooms, or the entire property for themselves. So, in order to sign up on Airbnb, you have to go to your web browser and type airbnb.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now click the account icon in the upper right corner, then select sign up from the drop-down. Enter your phone number and click on continue. Now enter the code sent to your mobile phone and click on continue. Fill up all the details and click on agree and continue. Repeat it once more and you are ready to go. This is it guys, this is how you sign up for Airbnb. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.